This is Aaron from OneSize0.net. Meet the new performance beast, the iQOO Neo 10, packed with power, crafted for gaming, and designed to impress. Is this Malaysia's first Snapdragon 8S Gen 4 smartphone? Or it is just about speed? Let's find out in this review. Starting with the design, the Neo 10 comes in two sleek finishes, Astro Black and Desert Gold, giving you a stylish choice between bold and premium. It feels solid, yet surprisingly light. The front features a 6.78-inch 1.5K AMOLED panel with a battery-smooth 144Hz refresh rate. You also get 2000 nits of peak brightness and 3 SGS eye protection certification, making it easy on your eyes even under harsh sunlight. Under the hood is the Snapdragon 8S Gen 4, built on cutting-edge 4nm process. iQOO claims a 49% performance boost and a 39% better efficiency than the previous generation. And with an ANTUTU score over 2.4 million, this phone isn't just fast, it's blazing fast. Gaming is where the Neo 10 flexes hard. It features a dual chip setup, the Snapdragon SoC and Supercomputing Q1 chip. It can deliver frame interpolation up to 144 FPS and game super resolution for sharper visuals. In short, ultra-smooth gameplay with console-like clarity. Whether you are watching on Netflix or scrolling through YouTube, the Neo 10 optimizes every frame and pixel. It enhances resolution and frame rate in real time thanks to that Supercomputing Q1 chip, delivering stunning clarity and fluid playback. Plus, the AI Game Eye Protection filters blue light while gaming, great for long sessions. And thanks to 4320Hz PWM dimming, screen flicker is minimized even at low brightness level. iQOO promises a 16-month long-term smooth experience, which means the phone isn't just fast today, it's built to stay fast over the years. But what about the camera? Surprisingly, iQOO didn't skip this part. You get a high-resolution rear camera that delivers crisp, vibrant shots in daylight with solid detail and fast focusing. The portrait mode does a decent job with subject separation, while night mode brightens up darker scenes without too much noise. To sum it up, the iQOO Neo 10 combines flagship tier gaming performance, a gorgeous display, and serious visual enhancement, all in a device that's easy on the eyes and the hands. If you're serious about performance and want a phone that's made to win, the Neo 10 deserves your attention. And this is what we call power redefined. The iQOO Neo 10 is now available from less than 2,000 ringgit only. Check it out at your nearest store or visit iQOO Malaysia online. Now don't forget to like, follow and stay tuned for more tech reviews.